Diyos ko, kaya naman pala talaga. Aha. Yun. Gusto ko yung ano, puwede ba yung oo, gawin ba yung step nila? Parang hindi ko kaya yung gano'n, eh. Parang mapa-slide at with, ano, so of course naman, yun, na yung si Z, kiling-kili na yan siya. Ayan, yung crush niya. Yeah. Yeah. Everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat na nanonood out there. Yes, I am Karen Young and I'm here with the channel of P Production. Welcome everybody! And sa lahat po na nandyan na sumusubaybay with our P Production, maraming salamat din po. And of course, sa lahat ng mga bago dito, of course, samahan niyo po ako na magre-react na naman tayo with another SB19. And here you go sa mga latest upload po ng ating pre-production na andun ako, na collab kami. And of course, nakaka-overwhelm lang naman. That is 30 minutes but pinapanood niyo po. Thank you so much everybody. And this is your comments and to shout out also your name. At andito na nga with our second channel of pre-production, that is Zia Cobrador. 14 minutes lang po talaga nagsa-start yung reaction namin ng SB19. Oh, yun, napahaba yung aming chikahan. And of course to Sir Ryan Rodriguez 7166, sabi niya, hope makanood ako ng concert ni Stel at Julie sa New Frontier this coming July 27, or meron palang mga nagaganap na concert. Ang ganda din kung meron talaga din tayo doon na on a personal na makikita natin si Stel at si Julie. Napaka nila, talented ng mga taong yan. Thank you so much for your comment. And of course to Gigi, sabi niya, thank you guys. By the way, SB19 sang Moonlight in swimsuit competition. Wow, so exciting. Another comment by our Manoyedski Turk. Sabi niya, nice collab. Support you here, both of you. Thank you so much. At Manuel Yambao, 1252. Sabi niya, thanks. At Atin Cavite, just subscribe SB19. And of course to Lavender Mahalima. Hindi ko alam yung words na Mahalima, but just correct me, guys. This is my first time to react to SB19. At sabi lang napasabihan tayo ng ating pre-production. But you know what, guys, to be honest with you, hindi ako fan talaga ng SB19 before. But nung nagsa-start silang umangat, kasi ang daming basher that time, no? Hindi ko din alam ng mga basher at hindi ko din, siguro, hindi ako fanatic sa mga P-pop or K-pop man. But right now, very proud of them because na conquer nila yung mga bashing at napakita nila kung sino talaga ang SB19. Right now, guys, with your request, another SB19 ang ating i-react. And I'm so excited and I'm so glad for this one. Kung ano kaya, this is my first time. Just correct me if tama yung pagre-react ko sa kanila. But this is the first time na magre-react ako. Yun. Alright. And for to correct the word Mahalima is yun pala yung tawag nila sa sarili. Alright. Okay. Thank you so much sa mga of course sa mga solid supporter ng SB19. And right now, guys, big shout out first to to disclaimer this video. It is from the Philippine Star and bongga shout out po and thank you so much. And this day, guys, i-react na nga natin. So if you are excited and without further ado, let's go the reaction.
Bleeding Pilipinas 2024 swimsuit competition with the kings of P-pop, SB19.
Daming ano dito, Kylie. Wow. Ay, Ay, Diyos ko, ang ganda ng ang likod, 'di ba, yung production, 'di ba, nung nakaraan na kung nakita ninyo yung previous na upload niya, pre-production, yung ang ganda talaga ng yung stage nila, super lupet, 'di ba, yung nagiging, green to, ano ba yung mga kulay doon, naging purple at right now it's gold for the swimsuit attire. So, let's see kung ano pa yung makikita natin on the stage. Wow, saan nga yung crush ni Z dito? Parang feeling ko na yung pogi yung masingkit na konti yung mata. At yung outfit, yeah, it's very good. Pero feeling ko may sexy masyado siya. Tingnan natin kasi parang na-catch yung mata ko Oo, yeah. Oo, Estelle, sige. Yeah, I really like the let me po kasi hindi ko masyadong kilala sila pasensya na. Pero yung katabi sa likod ni Stell, yung gusto ko yung niya, outfit niya, parang nakakalalaki at with the moves. Of course, it's given. That is SB19. Ano ba? Yung moves lang naman. Napakalupet. Pa-slide yan na gano'n. Oh, diba? Diyos ko, kaya naman pala talaga. Yun. Gusto ko yung pwede ba yung gawin ba yung step nila? Parang hindi ko kaya yung ganun Parang mapa-slide at with so of course naman, yun, yung si Z, tiling-tili na yan siya. Ayan! Yung crush niya. Yeah. Yes. Yung kasama ko siya dito, titili na yun. Yes. Huh? Yeah, yung yung stage. Dance break na. Yeah. Yan na. Lalabas na yung mga kandidata. All the candidates. Yeah, it's still a voice. Parang yung voice ni Stell talagang umaapaw Parang siya talaga yung unang maririnig mo with the terms of SB19. Galing. And napakataas naman ng boses nito. Oh, the stage very nice. Nakaka-amaze. Diba? Kaya naman pala na tumitili kayo dito. Yun, yung mga ka-IT yan. Tama ba pag-pronounce ko ng word? I'm sorry just And that is our SB19. Of course, guys, the production, the stage pa lang, di ba? Hindi pa sila lumabas. Yun, grabe yung impact sa akin talaga at the background, yung stage nila, grabe. At pagpasok ng SB19, of course naman, pag ganun yung yung pormahan, yung outfit nila with the dance moves na may pag ganun, slide or something. Hindi ko magawa kasi hindi ako dancer. But it's very nice po talaga and correct na talaga yung sinabi. O nag-suggest ng video there sa comment section na gumawa sila or meron silang moonlight in the tama ba ako? Swimsuit competition nito sa sa Binibining Pilipinas. And of course, bakit silang ginawang like forecast na mga singers at that men? Because they are so suit in that event. So that is, guys, for more SB19, you can comment down below sa mga reviews or nakita ninyo mga napansin ninyo, of course, with their dance move, with their voice and their talents. And for more, you can suggest any videos of SB19. And right now, guys, thank you so much sa pag-join sa akin for reaction video. For more reaction video, of course, just subscribe this channel and click the notification bell. This is Karen Yang, and I will say bye-bye and see you again on the next reaction video. Bye-bye!